Well, hello. Today we're going to do some baking. Hi and welcome back to the POLYMER CLAY channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a cake, and this is part of my mini things series. So this is episode 2, and the reason why I'm doing this today is because it's really fun making little tiny food. So yeah, anything on this series is going to be mini, and I decided this time to make some food. So without further ado, let's make a cake.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here we go. Here is the little tiny cake. The cake itself is on a little glass stand, and I did buy that quite some time ago, so I will try and find a link in the description for some sort of stand. They're really cute, and I think they normally come from sort of like doll's house kind of furniture, that sort of thing. Yeah, so this is part of my mini series, and today I decided to make a cake because I absolutely love making cakes. I've not done one on my channel before, but I wanted to just give it a go because it is mini and it is the sort of thing that belongs in this series. So let's talk about the cake itself. I'm going to go up close to the camera and hope it is in focus. I pulled out some of the clay, some of the lighter clay, so it gives the impression of crumbs and a fluffy sort of cake. And then I made this one to look chocolatey, and then I decided on the top here I was going to put little slices of orange. Now, I didn't make these you can purchase, you can buy them from, I don't know, eBay or Amazon, and they are pre-baked, quite often fruit, and they are polymer clay, and they're made of canes basically. I don't make canes, I find them really hard to do, and on the odd occasion that I have made them, I just don't know what to do with them after. So I did buy these, but I think they just look really cute on the top there. So yeah, this is an orange and chocolate cake. I'm going to show you with the little lid now. So the idea is as the little lid goes on, and it just looks even cuter. On the outside around here I put on the little twirly parts at the top here and also the bottom, and as you saw I stacked it to start off with and then cut it out after, once all of the decorations were on, and that works out a lot better when it comes to sort of smudging and things like that. If you do have soft clay, it's always good to have it in the fridge for a little bit. Quite literally make the cake, and before you cut it, put it in the fridge beforehand, and then when it comes out, the slice of the cake on the inside looks really cool. So now I'm going to show you the other tiny little piece here, and I'm going to hold it up along with it. So the little piece, as you saw, it come out of it completely, so it is exactly the same sort of size. And then separately I put on the orange because I wasn't too sure whether I could get them all in. And yeah, so there you go. So this is how you make a mini tiny little cake from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Put this on the oven so that, yeah, okay, that fell off. I'm going to show you how to bake a cake today. So here we go. No. Okay, so I've got flashes in my eyeballs. Not bake a cake, but make a cake. Yeah, kind of thing. What is that noise in the background? God forbid. Aliens coming to get us. Aliens. Start again.